what other things can businesses do to ensure that they continue to communicate with their customers?
I'm glad you're loving this because I love customers and this is a big passion topic for myself. It's not about always staying in connection as in I've got to send something to you. It can also just be something tactile that reminds me of your brand when I'm in my motor vehicle. For the longest time, we've done the old service reminder sticker in the top right of the windscreen. You get them branded up. It's a low cost outlay, but they're very effective. There's a reason a lot of mechanical workshops use those, and we should continue to use those. But there's other ways that we can go about it too. It could be the sticker, or it could be the floor mat that's got branding on it. It could be the key tag. It could be an air freshener. It could be any of those little things, but it can also be a digital solution in that the infotainment system might have a space there ready for the mechanical workshop. So when it pings up to say, hey, you need a service, it'll direct your customer back to you. It's the little things just to keep your brand top of mind that'll get them coming back.
I get that not everyone can afford to do this, but I had an issue with my car a while back and it was fixed. But what impressed me was it took 2 days, which impressed me because it was only 2 days. But more impressively, I was given a loan car.